Let's talk about something that's crucial in the workplace, but it's often very challenging to achieve. Gaining the respect of your employees. Have you ever felt, I just hit myself in the glasses, have you ever felt like your team doesn't respect you? Well, it's not just about productivity, it's about building trust. So in this video, I'm going to reveal a few secrets to earning the respect you deserve as a leader. Welcome to the channel, Leadership with Mike. On this channel, I help you become a more confident leader with no nonsense sense, if that makes any sense. Now, get ready to be inspired by eye-opening insights, practical strategies, and simple solutions that are going to help you create the workplace, the work environment where respect thrives. The question is, why is there such a huge disconnect between the people who lead and the people who follow? Here's a few things that I want you to consider. First, perhaps managers aren't honest about expectations and performance goals, leaving employees feeling like they're in the dark. Perhaps the communication is inconsistent or unclear, leaving workers confused or frustrated. Perhaps managers may be outright disrespectful or dismissive during tough decision making, leaving employees feeling undervalued and underheard. Or maybe feedback and change requests are ignored or dismissed, making the employees feel powerless, making them feel unappreciated. There's more. Maybe managers they fail to take responsibility for their mistakes, leading to employees feeling that they can't trust leadership. There may be a lack of leadership by example and belief in the company mission, leaving employees wondering why they're even there. Maybe there's insufficient empathy towards employees' challenges, and this can make workers feel like their struggles are being ignored or minimized. Managers may neglect to celebrate the success with their team, making employees feel like their hard work is just not valued. And maybe the absence of a safe and judgment-free environment for voicing opinions can lead to a culture of fear and mistrust. Or, let's add this, unequal treatment and a lack of respect based on profession or the position can make employees feel like they're not valued as people. Now, you may be thinking, great, Mike, what am I supposed to do with this information? First, it all starts with clear expectations and transparent communication. Let's face it, no one likes feeling frustrated and demotivated because they're not sure what's expected of them or how their performance will be measured. You need to be upfront and communicate your expectations, communicate the goals and the performance metrics clearly. You want to make sure that you're providing regular updates and feedback on the progress to keep your people informed, engaged, and motivated. This builds trust and it helps your employees understand how their work contributes to the overall success of the team and the organization. When your team sees that you're open, that you're honest with them, they will respect you more for it. Next, how about respectful and inclusive decision making? When you involve your employees in decision making, it shows that you're valuing their opinions and you want to empower them. It also helps foster innovation and it helps build trust within your team, within the team members. Encourage diverse viewpoints and actively listen to your employees. It'll show that you care about everyone's voice and that you're making decisions that will benefit the most people. Then we need to make sure that we are giving feedback and recognition. Remember, your employees are your absolute best resource for identifying areas for improvement, for making positive changes. So listen carefully to what they have to say and show them that you value their opinions. But don't forget that feedback needs to go both ways. Provide constructive feedback to your employees regularly. Highlight that, regularly, to help them grow and to help them develop and to celebrate their achievements. Whether it be small wins or major successes, make sure that you are publicly acknowledging their efforts, because when you recognize your employees' hard work, you'll create a positive work environment that motivates them to continue to strive for excellence. You also need to create a safe and inclusive environment. Now, what exactly does that mean? It means that you're fostering an environment where everyone feels comfortable expressing their thoughts, their ideas, their concerns without the fear of negative consequences or judgment. What this doesn't mean is that people are free to say whatever they like. Those who are keeping on topic and putting out thoughtful ideas get to do that. I've worked with some people who gave just stupid answers just because they thought it was safe to do so. They wasted their time, their breath, their energy just to play silly games, just to be stupid. And you may say, Mike, there's no stupid comments to be shared. Yes, there are. There absolutely are. So let's not make this safe space about allowing people to share stupidity. Stupidity has to stop. It just has to. So it means that as a leader, you promote open dialogue. It means that you actively listen and that you respect diverse perspectives. You encourage open communication and you treat all employees, all of them, with fairness and respect. When you do this, you build trust, you build the respect for yourself, you enhance collaboration, and you contribute to the overall positive, supportive work environment. You see, respect and trust, they are essential to be successful, for your team to be successful, for your team to be productive. And you as the manager, you as the leader, play a very important role in building both. Now, to learn more about building trust and respect, I want you to go to this video right now. And to make sure that you are on the up and up with your managerial skills, do subscribe today for more videos just like this. Get your coffee, and I'll see you in that video there. Ciao.